In this video, we're going to learn how you can ask questions that people care about, that make people want to talk to you. And then maybe, just maybe, you can make some friends.
Monkey. Yeah? Your English sucks. Oh no, what should I do? Oh, Monkey. You need to make friends. Talk to people. Go out and ask questions. Find beautiful girls online. Huh, so stupid. Okay, I guess I'll go make friends and talk to people in English. Hello, what's your name?
Stephen Hawking.
Oh, hello, Stephen Hawking. I would like to be your friend. What's your job?
I am a man of science, as the Lucasian professor of mathematics at the University of Cambridge and author of a brief history.
Now, maybe you've never talked to Stephen Hawking before. Maybe you have gone out to a bar or a restaurant, or you are on Facebook or Instagram or the language learning apps like HelloTalk or Tandem. And you begin a conversation and you just cannot understand what the other person is saying. It's hard to learn a language and it's hard to make friends. It's very hard at the beginning when you don't know very many words, you don't know the culture, you just don't know what to do. The first thing you should do is ask questions you already know the answers to. Ask questions about things you understand and can talk about easily.
Okay, questions I know the answers to. Hello. Where are you from? Do you want to talk to me?
So now you have a new problem. You ask questions you know the answers to, and your English is not very good, so they're probably simple questions. Simple questions give you simple answers, or no answers, or sometimes people even get mad at you.
Hello. Are you a boy or a girl?
Mr. Monkey is so rude. Never talk to me again.
So as we can see, asking questions we already know the answer to, it's not enough. We need to do something fun and interesting. We need to ask things people want to talk about. Well, how can we do that? One thing we can do is we can give people a problem to solve. And a great place to begin doing this is at the grocery store. You go to the grocery store every week, or maybe several times a week. And the stores in your life, there's workers there. The workers want to help you buy things, and they will talk to you.
Hey everybody, fresh fruits. I got your fresh fruits right here. Hello. Hey, I'm trying to find a fruit. You know, it's that yellow fruit. It grows on trees. It's really sweet. Oh, you mean a banana. Yeah, a banana. Oh, the bananas are over there by the pineapples. What's a pineapple? Kid, let me tell you all about pineapples. Well, first off, they're in Hawaii.
So what Mr. Monkey does here is really good. He goes to the store, he buys a food he buys every day. He probably already knows the word bananas. He is a monkey, after all. And he probably knows what a pineapple is, but he just wants to talk a little bit before he buys the food. Now, you need to remember, these store workers, they're not your English teacher. They just want to sell you food, so don't ask too many questions.
Hello, Mr. Fruit Store Bear. I have a list of 20 fruits I love. Please guess them.
You also need to remember to ask questions that are important to the other person. Questions that the other person wants to help you with.
Cameras, I sell cameras. Hello. Hey kid, you wanna buy a camera? No, actually, I wanna ask the difference between red apples and green apples.
Asking what's different between two things is a great way to have a conversation. When you're at coffee shops, you can ask the difference between coffee flavors and tastes. If you already know about coffee, it will be easier to understand and maybe you'll learn a few new words too. When you're at a camera store, you can go look up the difference between two cameras online and you can listen to them tell you all about those cameras. This is also a very popular way to begin conversations on Facebook and Instagram. People release quizzes or tests where they say, what's the difference between this picture and this picture all the time. It's a very popular way to get people thinking and trying to solve a problem. You'll have a better chance of them talking to you than a yes/no question.
Cameras, I sell cameras. Come buy your camera. Hello, Mr. Camera Bear. I want to buy a camera so I can make mukbang videos. Can you please tell me the difference between this camera and this camera? What's mukbang? Mukbang is a food video. I eat lots and lots of bananas, and people pay me to watch.
Welcome to Mr. Monkey Mukbang. I, Mr. Monkey, weigh 1 kilogram. I will be eating 2 kilograms of bananas. Nom, 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 nom. Nom, 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 nom.
That's mukbang. Oh, interesting. Well, I think that for a food video, your best choice is gonna be this camera right here. It's a really good camera for food because...
So what Mr. Monkey does here is great. He tells the camera store worker what he wants, he asks his question, and then the camera store worker has a chance to try to sell him a camera that's perfect for his mukbang videos. When you ask questions on social media or you ask questions to people, again, make sure they're important.
Do you like bananas? Yes or no? Do you want to practice English with me?
So Monkey here is, again, asking questions people don't care about. Even if you're on Tandem or you're on Tinder or you're on some place where people came to talk to you and make friends. If you ask questions like, hey, do you want to talk to me? Hey, teach me English. Nobody cares. Your job is to add value to the conversation. You need to think of something interesting. Don't go and ask people to give you something. You need to be the giver. Ask people questions about their thoughts and feelings.
Okay, my friends, this is the big question. Would you rather eat 1 million bananas for $100,000? Or would you rather eat $100,000 for 1 million bananas? Hashtag food, hashtag bananas, hashtag mukbang.
Now, I don't know you or your friends. Maybe you don't think $1 million or mukbang or bananas are interesting to talk about. I can't give you some special question to ask people. All I can tell you to do is make sure you ask questions that add value, that make people feel good. Give them a problem they want to solve and help you with. Give the camera store worker a chance to sell you an expensive camera. Give the fruit store worker a chance to show you how smart they are by telling you all about pineapples and bananas. Or when you're online, give people a fun, interesting thing that they can talk about and laugh about. Okay guys, it's homework time. I want you to ask me a question that will add value to my life. Something I want to answer for you. Remember, I'm an English teacher, but I probably don't want to help you with your college homework, and I probably don't want to teach you for free. We did just watch a video about making friends and asking questions. Maybe there is something more you want to know about, or maybe there's a question I didn't answer, or you want me to talk about it more deeply. Please leave your question in the comments section down below and I will answer it whenever I can. Thank you so much for watching. Like this video, please subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time.